Welcome back guys to another episode of Suffolk Carp Angler. Today we're down in Willowcroft Fisheries in Wisbeach. Got 72 hours ahead of us, hoping to get on the Catfish lake. Unfortunately we've arrived and it is absolutely heaving. And with the old man, not even a single swim available. The owners let us come onto their other lake, Horseshoe Lake, for the day. There's a couple of gents that are leaving this evening who've let us put a bucket in their swim, so we're going to move across to that lake this evening. Anyway, let's get the rods out, have a nice cold beer and see what happens while we wait. See you in a bit. Right, welcome back. Just a quick update. The rods are now out. Let's just have a look at where I'm fishing. So I've just got the two rods. My left rod is just on this corner here by the bush, if that focuses. And my right rod is just over here in this far weed. So, let's see how we get on. Like I said, we're not in this swim for very long. Just chose a nice little corner swim. It's closer to the other lake, so when it comes to moving, it's not got so much hassle. Fingers crossed we can get a fish or two before we move. Keep you updated. See you in a bit. Hello guys, welcome back. Just a quick update. The two chaps on the other lake have now left, so we've moved over to Catfish Lake. We've got two swims next to each other for a nice social. Just popped one rod out on the PVA mesh bag and a little krill wafter. So let's see what happens. Going to get the bivvies up, set up camp for the night. Absolutely roasting today, 28 degrees. So we're not expecting a great deal during the day, but let's see what the evening brings. We'll catch up in a bit. Right, well, the rods are finally out. It's just gone 5:30. Cooled down a bit. Nice to be in a bit of shade under the trees because it is absolutely roasting today. Still nothing yet. Like I said, the rods have only just gone out. Camp's all set up. Nice 3 nights in the old bivvy. Got my old luxury VIP mat. The rods are out. Just whipped up some mixed and I'm going to spot out in a minute. With these 6 bombs over both spots. Just to start with, see how we get on. Let's just have a look at what I'm using. So we've literally just got some crushed up cream seed boilies by Munch Baits, half a tin of sweet corn in there, and ever faithful hemp. So like I said, I'm going to get 6 bombs over each spot, and keep watching. Hopefully the next time you see me, I'll be with a fish on that net. Catch you in a bit. Right, so last light's just approaching. We've finally got off the mark. 12 pound 11 ounce mirror, bit of a gammy towel on it. Not the prettiest of fish, but it is off the mark. It saves the blank. Let's have a look at the other side. So we've got a bit of fight left in it. Come on, Joe. There we go. £12.11. Let's pop that back. Here we are. First fish for Dad. Just coming into darkness. Nice common. What was it weighing?
17.10.
£17, 10 ounce. Puts him in the lead. Gets him off the mark. Happy days. Well, good morning, and what a good start to the morning it is. So after receiving quite a lot of liners this morning and noticing the fish were extremely close in, sort of 18 foot from the bank, I decided to reel my rod in and just swing one out 18 foot just in front, little small pink pop up, and before I'd even put the bobbin on, it's gone away. Nice scaly £16, 11 ounce mirror. Let's have a look at her. There she is. Just gone 4:30 in the morning, so very good start to the day. Let's just have a look at her other side. There we go. £16, 11. Let's slip her back and get some more in the net. Well, good morning. So, frustrating night last night. Didn't have any fish. Constant liners all night long, so I've had next to nothing on sleep. Got up this morning 4:30, seen the fish all at the surface right in front of me, literally right in front of me. So reeled my rods in, put one out, like I was showing you earlier, the fish straight away, boom, before I could even get the bobbin on, fish on. So good start there. Just got the kettle on, time for a brew, and hopefully today we'll bring some more fish and we'll keep you updated. Keep watching, next time you see me hopefully I'll have another fish. Okay, fish number 3 for me. Just a nice small little mirror. Caught again right close into the bank. Maybe £9–10 at best. But they're coming, so that's good. Let's have a look at the other side. There we go. Let's pop this one back, get the rods back out, and hopefully get onto some of the bigger fish. Right, so just put my rod back out before I'd even put it on the rod rest. It's gone straight off again. Fish number 4, another angry mirror, £12, 5 ounces. Happy days. They're coming thick and fast. Let's keep them coming. Let's get amongst them bigger fish. Let's get this one back. Okay, so fish number 5 for me, again close to the margin. Caught on cream seed wafter, another mirror, 13 pound 9 ounce. There she is. So let's just have a look at the other side. Pop that back. Absolutely roasting now. It's just coming up to 9:30, breakfast time. Fish are gone quiet, so time for the old bacon rolls. Happy day. Absolutely gutted. It's been quite a few hours, beaming hot sun. It's probably about 26 degrees at the minute. Rods have been dead silent, and then just now my right rod screen tearing off right to the top, hooked into it. As soon as I've got it in, it's just absolutely kited left, hard as you can, powerful as fish I've had so far. Tearing me left, couple of swims down, and I just see it hit the surface. Great big cattail, gutted. It's then pinged off anyway, so but I'm not here for the cats, I'm here for the carp, so there's no tears shed here. Unfortunately though, it has gone quiet, so I've got to keep at it. Hopefully they'll start feeding again when it cools down. The old man's had an absolute nightmare. I think he's on 7 lost fish now, only landed 1. He's even got his back to me now. Over there sulking, look, got his back to me. Doesn't want to engage in me anymore. Too busy getting his tan topped up. But there you go, like I said, hopefully it'll cool down soon and the fish will start feeding again. Catch up with you in a bit. Hopefully next time you see me, I'll have a fish in the net. Right, fish number 6. Great scrap on it, 19.5 pound. Unfortunately, it's not the species we wanted, hence why they're good scrap. It's a slimy slug. Nevertheless, it's a bit of action. It's a bend in the rod. Let's get this back and hope for a big carp. Right, it's only been about 10 minutes since I had that catfish, and we're finally back on the carp. This one going £15, 7 ounce. Yet another mirror, still searching for my first comment, but they're all welcome. There we go. £15, 7 ounce. Let's just have a quick look at the other side. And there's the other side. Fish number 7, 6 carp, 1 cat. Let's get this one back and keep searching for them 20s. Come on the carp. Right, just cooking the cheese toasties and the old man appears to be in. Let's go and check it out. You got one? He's lost 7 so far, only caught 1, so the pressure is on. Common. So I've had nothing but mirrors, you've had nothing but commons. Come on, get it in that net. Got a good gob on it. Get in that net. Yes. There we go. It's not the biggest in the world, just under £9, but he's finally got one after losing 7. Well done. Let's get it back.
Fight back, return.
Right, well, here we are, fish number 8 I believe, and after a change in tactics, trying to seek out the bigger fish, change of rig and 2 18mm bottom bait boilies, first fish that comes along, and the tactics have worked. We have finally got into the 20s, this mirror going 21.10 I think it was, 21.10. Let's have a look at that. There we go. Greedy old girl. Nice big mouth on it. Let's have a look at the other side. And there she is. 21.10. Happy days. Get this girl back and hope for some more. Well, fish number 9 is in the net, and we've finally broken that curse and got ourselves a mirror, common. The other rod's just going. £13, 1 ounce common. Finally got on the commons. Let's pop this one back and see if we can get a bigger one. Well, welcome back. Fish number 10. Just gone midnight. And the right rod is pulled up. Another common, another low double common. Let's get it back, get the rod back out, hope for another big one. Well, good morning. Pretty quiet night last night. Just the one fish, that common, that I had just after midnight. Liners again all night, keeping me awake. Don't know what you guys are like when you sleep on the bank, but I've always got my head torch on, my glasses on, always at the ready to jump up if need be. Especially at this lake, being a barbless hook roll, you want to get on them rods as quick as you can. Anyway, 6 o'clock now, just about to do a fresh cast, get the rods back out, and fingers crossed, today we see some bigger fish. Catch up in a bit. Well, the rods have been out about 20 minutes since the old man's got back and put them out. And he's had a fish already, definitely his biggest so far. Let's have a look at it. Here we go, first fish of the last day, full day, 18 pound 9 ounce mirror. The old man's biggest fish so far. Happy days. Well, fish number 11, unfortunately, it's another slimy slug. This one going 17.7. There we go. Good scrap, not what we're after. All the better though, I'll take it. Let's pop it back, get the rods back out, get back on them carp. There we go, another one already for the old man. We're knocking him off his feet. Fish number 4. Fish number 4 for the old man. 17 pounds and 4 ounce, did we say? Yep. Nice one. Alright, the old man's got another one already, number 5 this time. A nice big catfish, which he's happy about. 27 pound 12 ounces of slug. Yeah. Let's get it back and get back on them carp. Well, the old man's got another one in the net. Yet again another cat. So clearly they're on the feed now. So struggling to find a carp. 23.12. Let's have a look at it. 23 pound 12 ounce. Fish number 6 for him. 4 this morning already. Happy days. Yeah, another cat for the old man, fish number 7. This one going 24.13. He's having a field day for the cats considering he's carp fishing, but it's all bites, it's all welcome. Happy days, let's get it back. Right, well, we finally caught another fish and another carp, which is the target. This greedy git taking 2 18mm bottom bait boilies and only tipping the scales at 9.5 pound. Fish number 12 for me. Good condition common. It's not the size I was hoping for, but they're all welcome anyway. We're going to get this one back, get the rod back out, and hope that there's still time to get the big ones. Fish number 13 for me, lovely little mirror, weighing 16 pound 5 ounces, still very, very lively. There she is. Happy days. Let's get her back. Well, fish number 8 for the old man. A nice immaculate common, only weighing £9, but lovely condition. Let's get this one back and find the old mum and dad. Well, we're finally off unlucky number 13. A very lively mirror in the net. This one has gone £21, 5 ounces. That's my other rod bleeping. Oh, what a cracker. £21, 5 ounce mirror. Right by the margin, caught on a mainline sweet corn wafter. Let's just try and have a look at the other side if she'll let us. There we go. £21, 5 ounce. Get in. Let's pop her back. So the old man's got fish number 9. Nice scaly mirror. £13, 1 ounce. Get it? Caught right underneath his rod tip. Well done. Let's get it back. Get the rods back out. Well, not even 5 minutes since the last fish, and he's in again. Another one in the net. Whoa, another one knocking him off balance. This one tipping the scales at £13, 14 ounces. Number 10 for you now, is it, Dad?
Yep.
Fish number 10. Let's get the rods back out. Right. Fish number 15 for me. Very, very angry common. Nothing big, about 9-10 pounds, haven't weighed it. There it is. I'm going to get it back in because it's been very angry, this one. So let's get it back and see if we can get on to some of the bigger fish. Alright guys, so I don't know if you can see just where my rod tip is there. The fish are feeding that close in, it's ridiculous. So what I've done is I've literally just laid my rig there, pulled my rod right back, just laying it on the floor, and then just waiting. Had one 5 minutes ago by this technique, put it back, and as you can see, they're back already feeding right there. Never known fish to feed this close in before where the rods are. There you go, look. So hopefully any second now that rod's going to go away and we'll have another carp on the bank for you to see. Fingers crossed. Hopefully next time you see me I'll have a fish on the bank. Right guys, well, not even 2 minutes after showing you how I was fishing with that rod, literally not even a foot from the bank, and I've stood up to film some geese flying over, and next thing I know my rod's hit my ankle. Nearly lost my rod, and got this lovely little 17-pound mirror, still very angry, giving me a bit of a slap. If she lets me, I'll show you that. Still obviously very angry from getting caught so close to the bank. There she is, 17 pound. Literally cannot believe how these fish are feeding today. I've never known it before in my life. Don't think she's wanting another. She doesn't want to show off anymore. So I'll try one more time. And there we go, 17 pound. Let's get her back before she gives me another slap like that. Well, back already, not even 5 minutes again. Right by that bank, another mirror, this time going 18.5 pounds. Absolutely over the moon. They're getting bigger, they're coming thick and fast now. And I'm running out of memory space on my phone, so let's see what we can fit in before the end of the session. Catch you in a bit. Right, fish number 18, Nice small mirror, not weighed this one, it's only a single. Once again by the close margin. Let's get it back before it gets dark, try and get another one. Right, no sooner as I put the rod out, didn't even get to sit down and it's gone straight away. Number 19, this time we've got a common in the bag. Again, nothing special, haven't weighed it. But there it is, fish number 19. Gonna try and bag myself one more fish from that corner and then I'm going to hit the bed because I am shattered. I'm going to leave one rod out tonight on the 2 18mm boilies and try and get some of the bigger fish. Fingers crossed. Right, let's get this one back, get the rod back out. Well, good morning, quick update. Had that one rod out last night on the 2 18mm bottom bait boilies. About 1:30 in the morning, absolute teared off, jumped out of the bivvy, got to me rods, bent right round, tearing out line. As I've picked it up, not quite sure what's happened, but it's just cut right at the reel. So I don't know if my line's caught my rod rest or something, not quite sure. Anyway, I was absolutely tired, so I decided to leave the rods in for the rest of the night. It's now 5 o'clock in the morning, going to get the rods back out for the last 4 hours before we pack up. Get the kettle on and hope for 1 or 2 more fish before we head home. Keep watching and hopefully next time you see me we'll have a fish on the bank. Well, we are off the mark this morning, a few hours before going home, and what a fish this is. Very angry mirror. Not just any mirror, but this is a new PB, 26 pound, 11 ounce, absolutely buzzing. Very, very angry mirror. Is she going to let me show her to the camera? Oh, there she is. 26 pound, 11 ounce, UK PB. Absolutely buzzing with this one. Let's have a look at the other side. Perfect end to the trip. 26 pound 11 PB mirror. Let's get her back. Right, well, another one in the net already. Fish number 21 for me. Beautiful common. Not quite sure if it's borderline koi / ghosty, but I'll let you be the judge of that, or if it's just a nice dark golden common. If it sits still, we'll have a look at it. Very, very angry still. There it is. Lovely colours on it. Well, let's get it back, see if we can get one more before home time. Well guys, it really is last knockings now. Most of the rods are away, it's got one rod left, just laying on the floor. Everything else is away, bivvy's away. Gonna give it another 15 minutes and then hit the road, just fingers crossed we might get one last bite. Thanks again for watching. If you've liked this video, just remember to hit that like button and hit that subscribe button. All in all, it's been a pretty good trip. I've had 21 fish so far. The old man's had 11, I've had 3 20s and of course that PB at 26.11, so absolutely buzzing with that. So thanks again for watching and until next time, I'll see ya.